Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
The quietude of the weekend is coming to a close, and we face a couple of storms, both of which could in some cases produce at least a little bit of wintry weather. The first will be happening later tomorrow. We can already see it going on through the Great Lakes, and it is coming in our direction. So we're watching this thing closely, and for higher elevations, especially of northern Connecticut, we could see some snow and not just rain. So here we go into tonight. There's 9 o'clock, and we take you into tomorrow morning. Notice how between 9 now and this evening, that is, and through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the clouds will come in, but it will remain dry. And the latest model runs are actually holding most of the weather dry here for a good chunk of the morning tomorrow. It's not until the afternoon we see precipitation coming in, but once we do, you can see what will happen is southern Connecticut along the shoreline will get mainly rain. The hills of northwestern and northeastern Connecticut are more primed to see snow. You can see the whole idea that the warmer air will extend all the way through the Connecticut River Valley, but in the higher elevations, there's a deference for snow, and that's going to continue on as we head even in towards 9 o'clock. Once we get to about 11 o'clock Monday evening, the snow should taper off as actually rain, and then it's over. And then Tuesday, we have a delightful day with partly cloudy skies developing, and by afternoon, temperatures will reach into the 50s and melt a lot of any of the snow that does collect away. And there won't be much of any along the shoreline up to at least Middletown. We might get a coating, and in some cases on either side of Hartford an inch, but then once we get into the hills of northwestern and northeastern Connecticut, far northeastern Connecticut, that's where we could see 1 to 4 inches of snow accumulate starting tomorrow afternoon. Out there now, it's quiet. You just see quiet skies, just a little bit cloudier though as we look towards Hartford and Torrington and also Middletown. You can see where temperatures go tonight. They go into the 20s with increasingly cloudy skies. And as we look ahead to tomorrow, again, we will see that snow and rain mix. But before that gets here, temperatures will get into the lower 40s, and then as the precipitation starts to come down, it actually will cool the air late in the day tomorrow. In your early morning 7-day forecast, as I said, Tuesday offers a break. Then Wednesday is our next opportunity for wet weather. And when that storm comes, it's again a question about elevation-dependent snow. And some of the models are saying that we could see at least the opportunity for seeing a little bit of that happening as we head in towards Wednesday. One of the models that sort of shies away from that is the GFS. This model just says it's mainly going to be rain, but there could be a little period of snow. When we take a look at the output from that, we get very little. You can see a lot of goose eggs except for a few spots. The European is different on this. The European does say we'll see the opportunity for a little bit more in the way of snow than the GFS. And as such, we would expect to see more accumulation out of that one, maybe a couple of inches in the hills is suggested for Wednesday with that one. And then after that, Kevin, it looks like we're clear sailing for Thursday and Friday. Great weather with temperatures in the 50s to near 60.